What's up YouTube, Buisness here once again with another video, and in today's video we'll be discussing how sponsored Instagram posts saved my business, especially last year, and ways you can implement it into your Shopify dropshipping or print-on-demand business. Now before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Alright, so I started Shopify last year in March while I was working full time, and I was working on it, following the videos, running Facebook ads, doing the whole thing, drop shipping different products. I got some sales. I started making a little bit of profit. And then I quit my job, you all, to pursue this full time. Like this was a full time commitment. I was committed. I was dedicated, and to God I give the glory because it ended up succeeding. Now, one of the main reasons why it succeeded was I was towards August of last year, and I wasn't making good profit. I wasn't making any profit. I was losing money trying to run Facebook ads, and I just started watching more YouTube videos about Shopify, dropshipping, e-commerce related videos. And I found a channel, and this person really emphasized the use of Instagram sponsored posts. Basically what that is paying an influencer to post your product on their page. So whether it's a bracelet, you can say, here's a picture of it. I just want you to put this picture with this description with a link in your bio or my bio, or you actually give them the product, have them do whatever they want to do with it, whether that's post a video for you or just post a picture with them wearing the item or using the item. And I always heard about that while I was drop shipping, but I never committed to it. And when I committed to it, when I really started to experiment with it, that's when my business took off, because Instagram is such a wonderful place to test different products, right? You can see what audiences in different niches are more gravitated to. And so while I was doing all these things, with Facebook ads, I tried Instagram sponsored posts a little bit, but I was never committing. When I started to dedicate my time to it in testing different products on different niches, on different pages, that's when everything started to align with my business. And so it's good because Instagram, you get an immediate response. As Facebook, you kind of have to let the ad run for a day. Within an hour with the Instagram post, if it's going to do well or not. Okay? And with Instagram, if it works on Instagram, it's for sure going to work on Facebook, right? Because it's the same people on Facebook, basically. And you get to scale. You have a whole Facebook ad platform that is free that you can use. And so that was another big thing, is starting off testing products on Instagram, finding what works, and then I already know it's going to work on Facebook since it worked on Instagram, and it always does. There hasn't been a winning product that I tested on Instagram that didn't work on Facebook, right? And so once I found that winning product, the profit is amazing when you run Instagram if it's a winning product, right? Because you put $100 into an ad and you can get like $500-$600 worth of revenue from that. And profit wise is probably $200-$300. However, on Facebook, your margins might go lower a little bit, it might lower 20%, but your revenue will increase 5x, 10x, because you're scaling. You can put $100-$200 per ad set per day on a given product, and that will heavily increase your revenue. And so, from Instagram, you create a lookalike audience based off of those people who went on Instagram, who found your product, who went to your website. When you have your pixel into your website, you can then create lookalike audiences based off of the traffic coming from Instagram and create a lookalike audience based of that traffic and start running ads on Facebook. And so that really saved my business. It was a specific product, specific niche that I found, and it just worked. When I started this, I was just trying to find what sells. I wasn't associated or attached to any niche or product. I was like, okay, let me just test so many different niches, so many different products just to see what wins. And I found one, and I've been running with that same niche, similar products ever since. And then, it slowly evolved from drop shipping to print on demand. And I still do a little drop shipping. I think I actually found a winning product through drop shipping. But I made a huge mistake last year of drop shipping a little bit too much, where around the holidays, people weren't getting their Black Friday orders by Christmas, right? Because overseas, they're done. I mean, they were crazy. It was a crazy time. There was no way they were going to get my drop shipping item out to my customers within a month. And so, right now I'm testing it. I'm still drop shipping them. And, right now the holidays is not here. And so I'm thinking about, whether I should buy them in bulk, send it to a shipping company that way, and test it out like that. But it's just that risk of buying an inventory and, it not selling. But I think I'm willing to take that risk because I shouldn't be thinking about the profit or the money, but the brand, because I think I really lost some loyal customers last year by drop shipping too much. And so from there, so Instagram really saved my business, and it can save your business. Experiment with Instagram ads. As in not advertising it on like the Facebook platform, but like DMing influencers to post a picture of your product. And it's not when I say influencers, they're not always people. There are pages of Instagram that just have posts related to a niche, like yoga niche, and they have posts and little signs, and they have like 1 million followers. Like those pages do as well as people pages. Now, and as always, you all, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. I've been posting every day for the past 25 days. How would you all enjoy this? Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.